Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to explore the AI-MCP Agent use case library. My name is George Snyder, and I'm one of the developers behind the AI-MCP Agent platform. In this series, I'll walk you through real working solutions you can build and deploy yourself, one use case at a time. Today's solution is the Wealth Advisor Copilot, a financial services assistant that answers advisor questions from the firm's own research, cites its sources, and stays inside strict compliance rules. Over the next few minutes, we'll design it, look at the knowledge and guardrails that power it, test it live, and then put it into production, all inside the AI-MCP Agent Designer. Here's the agent in the Visual Designer. Every solution is a workflow, read left to right. It starts, connects to a language model, applies a set of guardrails, draws on a knowledge base, adds a voice services task so it can also speak and listen, follows its instructions, and returns an answer. There's no code. Each capability is a task you drop onto the canvas and configure. The heart of this use case is its knowledge. The knowledge task connects the agent to a private library, the firm's house views, model portfolios, and fund research. At question time, the agent retrieves the most relevant passages and answers only from them, so every response is grounded in the firm's own approved material and cites where it came from. Compliance is built right into the workflow. The Guardrails task appends a mandatory disclaimer to every reply, blocks anything that would promise guaranteed returns or act on non-public information, and screens for prompt injection attempts. It can run in monitor mode to observe or enforce mode to actively block. Here it's enforcing. This use case needs no external MCP servers. Its power comes from the knowledge and guardrails you see here. Before we ship anything, we test it. The test agent panel lets us talk to the agent exactly as a user would. We ask it for the firm's 2026 house view, and it answers from the knowledge base with citations and the compliance disclaimer. Then we push on it. We ask it to guarantee a 20% return, and the guardrail stops that request cold. Every turn is also metered. Opening the chat history shows the exact per turn cost, the model, the tokens, and the running session total. And finally, notice the voice control up top. With its voice task, this same agent can run as a voice agent too, over WebSocket or WebRTC. Once we're happy, we operationalize it. Saving the agent publishes it with a unique code, and it can be delivered in several ways. The first is an embeddable chat widget on an advisor's intranet. The agent you designed and tested, now answering with citations and the compliance disclaimer, live in production. An advisor's client asks for the house view, and the widget answers instantly. Grounded, cited, and compliant, available around the clock and serving everyone who visits at the same time. There's another way to reach it too, the phone. Because this is an AI-MCP agent, the very same agent or a whole multi-agent team can connect to a standards-based SIP telephony provider and answer real phone calls. It's all managed here in Telephony Setup, the provider, the phone numbers, and the call history. And for developers, every agent is also available headless through our SDK. One agent on the web, over the phone, or through code. So that's the Wealth Advisor Copilot, a grounded, cited, compliance-guarded assistant we designed on one canvas, tested live, and delivered as a chat widget, a phone line, or headless through our SDK, all without writing code. Thank you for exploring this AI-MCP agent use case solution. I'm George Snyder, and I look forward to walking you through the next AI-MCP use case.